Hey guys, I'm here to talk about Bella pressure cooker. Bought it at Macy's for $10. It was on sale. It was a pretty good deal. It was normally, I don't know how much, but I couldn't find them that cheap over at Walmart, that's for sure. It's 5 quart, it's fantastic. I can actually bake my beans, like any kind of dried beans, in an hour and 10 minutes. Every single one of them would come out perfectly. Had to put a lot of water in though. Here's the actual device, pressure cooker. We have a weighted jiggler. We have a lid. We have the base unit. They're fantastic. They're made of a pretty thick aluminum. They're pretty good. The lid has a nice O-ring on it. It's a silicone O-ring, so it'll probably last for a little while. Recommend that you coat them with oil before you use them. So these are all the good things about this fantastic pressure cooker. However, after a couple of times of using it, this is my first pressure cooker, so this is unique to me. After a couple of times of using it, it turns out that it leaks like crazy. And it makes a gigantic mess, and you have to stand in front of the unit for the whole hour so you can mop up the water. And that's what I'm about to show you in the next few videos. Stay tuned. It's leaking terribly here, so it's all over the place. The liquid is leaking right out of where the handle is, isn't it? That's where all the steam is coming from, but not anywhere else. It's just right where the handle is. And then we use oil on it like the instructions say, but there's water all over the counter from this. So something is defective, and you can see the steam shooting out of it. So it's not pressurizing properly, but we don't know what the defective part is. It's completely closed. Now this is a little loose. Alright. I have my Bella pressure cooker. And I just cooked, and it just leaked all over the place, right from the area where the handle and the top come together. It's done this over and over. I tried to tighten the screws, that didn't help, but it just makes a mess. And we already wiped out most of it, but you know, jeez. Don't know what else to do. I don't know if it's just a defective unit. I just got it last year. I've used it 6 times maybe, and the last 4 times it's been leaking right there underneath the handle.